Babe, please just try not to hide anything away from me. Tell me everything that I need to know. You know, we're meant for each other.
You understand, and that is why you also have to tell me everything, like all the time, no matter the circumstance. Always open up to me, okay?
Alright, babe, sure.
Alright, darling.
Alright, I'm coming. Let me just quickly get something.
Alright, baby.
Hi, darling. How you doing?
I'm fine.
See, let me just go straight to the point, okay? It's so beautiful, and I like you already. You know what? Buy anything I'll pay.
Oh, really?
Yes, darling.
Wow.
to start. Oh, sorry, my darling. Do you have a boyfriend?
Oh no, I don't have a boyfriend.
You want this, right?
Yeah.
How about this?
Yes, I want that.
Should I help you get this one?
Yes, everything. Thank you.
My dear, let me. You would love this one.
Yes, I will.
Yeah. Do you have a fresh now? I'm getting one. So, do they sell cars here?
Oh no, I don't think so.
Oh, we don't sell cars here. Hi, good afternoon. Let me see. Here's my card.
Oh.
4199.
4199.
That's my pin.
Okay, I want those two.
Oh, okay. This one, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, wait. Oh, you don't have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have a boyfriend.
So please let me take attention to her so that she can start service so we can change location. Yeah, 4199. That's the pick. I used to be singing song. Like 41. Let me tell her to start scanning it. Okay, you want more of this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're paying already?
Sorry, hi, good afternoon. Sorry, boss. Good afternoon. I thought you didn't have a boyfriend.
Yeah, I don't have a boyfriend. This is my husband.
Wife? So who are you? Who's
I
he?
think this is Samantha. You actually pay for everything we bought.
Wow, comrade, nice to meet you. Wow, but thank you so much. Really, I can't even believe there's still people like you in this world.
Like seriously.
I used to really like this.
Yeah. I want to pick the second one for
So
you.
let me pick two.
Okay.
Yeah, please, everything. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Like, wow. Thank you.
Should we kill her?
No.
Look at
Let me carry everything for you. And I really comrade, really nice to meet you.
Thank you
Have
so
a nice
much.
one.
Thank you.
Thank you.
He's giving Fanta. Stupid and bastard people. So
What's up?
I'm fine, baby. Here's my card.
Oh.
4199.
4199.
That's my
okay.
pin.
Any problem?
No problem, my love. Yeah!
What's the problem?
Nothing, my love. Let me call my bag. No, it's just back issue.
Hello, your line has been barred from making Please use your NIN to get your line.
What's the problem? I mean, we just talked about telling each other everything. What is the problem? Tell me.
Look, there's no problem.
You're sweating and you're saying there's no problem. I don't understand.
This is not working fine.
Guy, this AC is working. What's the problem?
There's no problem, my love. Nothing going on more.
We just talked about telling each other everything. I don't understand. What's going on? Let me know.
Let's start that one tomorrow, officially, eh?